I believe we're in the middle of a cycle of technological change in education. The process of technological change is very well understood, and in its most basic form, it's 3 steps. There's a ferment where new replaces old, and if you want to talk about cars, say, or you could do this with anything, telephones or whatever, but with cars, cars replaced horse-drawn carriages. And when that happens, new competencies are necessary. So you need to know how to start a car, how to drive a car, how to operate the equipment on a car. You don't need to understand how to read the horse's mood. That was a competency of the previous generation of transportation. And so we're sort of in this stage, right? So ferment where new is replacing old and new competencies are necessary. So when this is going on, you're seeing lots of experimentation. You know, those of you who have been to a car museum and you look at early cars, there's just a huge variety of designs. You know, cars with 3 wheels, cars with not steering wheels, but sort of sticks that control the car, cars where the brake is on the hand and the gas is on the foot. And this, over a period of decades, you get this convergence of design, and now we live in a world where basically cars are cars. You know, it's like a 4-door sedan is pretty much a 4-door sedan, an SUV is pretty much an SUV. So there's not that much distinction, this convergence of design. That will happen in education. It has not happened yet. We will get to see this probably over the next 5 to 10 years. You get the pleasure of managing in a system where all of this change is going on and you're under enormous pressure because of the environment caused by the COVID pandemic.